Hi, Kat Wilson here from Apositiva. I'm happy to say that our center is opening up for in-session training program in hypnotherapy and NLP, which is Neuro Linguistic Programming. I'd like to speak very briefly on one of the things that led me to learn more about the field that I'm involved in. Hypnotherapy has been something I was aware of since the 1970s when my father was first interested and involved me in his own conversations. The experience that I remember that I really loved was when his uh, sister and he were learning about hypnosis, and they were intrigued by past life regression. When you go into an experience of past life regression, you follow along a soul journey. And soul journeys can guide us to learnings along the path of maybe if you have someone who is in your past from another life, and you might be in this life thinking about, why am I here? What's going on? When I was younger and I first started exploring this, my intrigue had been when a friend of mine who had been very, very close felt like some kind of a connection, like when we first met, as if we knew each other. And that experience made me very curious about why we had met. My aunt was the one who encouraged me to go into a past life regression and learn more about this. When she guided me into a past life regression, and actually my father was in the room, I experienced a sense of connection where we had lived several lives together. Because we were on a journey to learn, there was something even higher than the life that we experienced in this present day. This experience guided me many, many years later to go ahead and create a business around hypnosis and learning more about our highest and best possible self. It's 2022, and I've hung in there past the pandemic. Uh, our center went through a major remodel after we had an event that happened and destroyed a lot of the things in our center. We are now opening up, and one of the classes that I'm really delighted that's to share with you that we will be going into in our hypnosis training is regression. Regression in this life, so that you can visit the times in your life when you were younger, and even more beyond that, a past life regression. I'm wanting you to get really curious about this, and if you're interested, please contact me because we're setting up classes and we're looking for the best dates, the best times. We are conducting in-person classes. We are also going to be conducting some online classes. Feel free to go ahead and send me an email, and I'll list that email in the video. My name is Kat Wilson, and I'm looking forward to meeting you very soon. And who knows, maybe we lived a past life and we're coming together again because our learning is something that we are meant to do together. If this feels like something right to you, please contact me soon. I look forward to seeing you again. Let's let our souls in this time connect. Thank you. I'll see you soon.